MNST Creations and welcome to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're going to unbox a new package from our sponsor, the Paws and Paints. Now, let's start unwrapping the colors. First, the rose color. The watercolor was in its good condition. It has a sweet smell and, as you can see, there's a magnet at its bottom for it to stick or hold into the tin case when we put or keep them together. Now, let's try to use them. Let's start with the Paws and Paints Watercolor. rose color. Next, let's try the Paws and Paints Watercolor Bubbles color. The behavior of the bubbles color is different. When we add too much water to it, the color turns into pink. So let's try it again with just a few water. Next is the Paws and Paints Gloom color. Then, the Paws and Paints Peaches color. Next is the Paws and Paints Mochi color. And lastly, the Paws and Paints Lean color. So there you have it, the Paws and Paints Handmade Watercolor Pastel Collection colors. The Paws and Paints Handmade Watercolor was owned and made by my Ms.Idol, Ms.Jasleen Dela Cruz. You can find and follow her store at Shopee and also her FB page. Just search for our shop's name, Paws and Paints. The links will be posted in the descriptions down below. Paws and Paints Watercolor is a handmade watercolor that every artist must try, so add to your cart it now and buy. It is a handmade watercolor that was made with love, that's why it's the watercolor that we must have. The first set was pastel collection that can help us make wonderful creation. And speaking of creation, I designed a mermaid OC for Paws and Paints. The video process will be posted here in our channel. Please don't hesitate to watch it.